Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete your Olymp Trade account. To delete your Olymp Trade account, if you don't want to use it anymore, first of all open the Olymp Trade application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. From your profile section, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Settings. Now, inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and you'll see a Delete Profile button. Before you delete your Olymp Trade account, make sure that your balances are already empty. Withdraw all the funds on your account. Make sure you have no active trades, no pending withdrawals, no pending verification request, and no pending source of funds confirmation request. If these conditions are met, you can easily delete your account by tapping on Delete Profile. Now on the next page, see if your profile is okay to delete. If there is anything that is stopping you from deleting your profile, then you'll be able to see it on this page. So once you meet the requirements, click on the Delete Profile button and click Delete once again. If you ever change your mind, you can easily restore your account later. So to confirm the deletion, click Delete and you have successfully deleted your profile. If you want to restore your profile later, then you will need to contact the support. So that's how you easily delete your profile on Olymp Trade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.